What is good, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we are going to be sliding the E46 in some rain. It's a lot easier to slide the E46 in this weather, so let's get it started and start some sliding. This car sounds so good. She's got a nice little rumble to her. I have a little roundabout that I'm gonna hit. Dude, this thing is going to be so much fun. Let's just do a little U-turn real quick. Look at how big this roundabout is. This is literally calling my name. Look at this. All right, let's get in second gear and see how well it slides. Damn, bro, this thing grips up so easy. Oh! Oh! First time I've spun out in this. Turn yet, but let's see how good I can do it. Bro, this thing does not have that much power, but if I clutch kick it at the perfect time, it could be good. Let's see. Nah, I need to be in first. Jesus. If you do not clutch kick it, bro, it does not get loose, bro. What do you say? Oh, that is so much fun. I think I barely hit it. If the wheel's not bent, then that's a good thing. Ugh. Let's see. All right, the wheel is not bent, so we are straight, I think. Oh. All right, I think we're good. Let's go again. We're gonna do some little spins in here. I got my girlfriend over there taking a great video, as always. Let's put it in second, see if that helps. Oh, dude, this thing is so hard to spin. So this is part of driving a drift car with no AC. In the rain too, man. Sucks. But it can slide like this. Oh, I am in third gear. I'm gonna chill just so my car doesn't get too hot. And ever since I put the headers in this, the fumes that come out of the exhaust it just hurts your eyes so much. I don't think I'll put the headers back on, but dude, this is tough. Alright, so I need a petition to see if I should drift this corner. Let's make sure this isn't a cop. Dude, that is so much fun. You know, I think it's a lot easier right here just because the roads are like completely wet. But over on the warehouse that I was just at, that's like half dry, half wet. So it's like one tire grips up and then the other, like, I don't know. This is pretty fun though. All right, this is gonna be the last thing that I'm gonna hit for tonight. This is the grand finale for y'all. Link it once. I don't know if that's a cop or not. I cannot even see through my windshield. It's pouring in my window. This is semi-good drift weather, but it is tough. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you guys liked it, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.